Greek stock market is beginning to rebound after reopening a week ago with a scary plunge. CCTV's Irina Zakhardoula reports on the economic atmosphere within the country.
The Greek stock exchange reopened and the results were really bad as expected. Banking stocks were the worst hit in Athens, with several stocks hitting their maximum daily declines, called the limit down. The main Athens index lost 16.2% on Monday, the worst fall on record, as investors reacted to continuing questions about a new bailout from the European Union and to Greece's worsening economy. All four major Greek banking stocks were down more than 29% in early Tuesday trade, effectively their daily limit for losses.
This was a wild week for the Greek stock exchange. It tumbled at the opening. This was to be expected. Now, however, it's back to positive territory. There is a significant comeback, especially of banking stocks. And this is related to developments coming up with regard to whether Greece will be able to seal an agreement before the 20th of August, when the ECB bond is due to be repaid.
Despite the heavy selling, the reopening of the index was seen as positive for the debt-stricken country, as it continues to negotiate with international creditors on its third bailout.
5 days of turbulence after a 5-week shutdown. The Greek stock market nosedived, but the fact that it is open creates a sense of normality in the debt-laden Greece that probably will face another election process during autumn.
Greece's battered banking stock staged a strong rebound on Thursday, bouncing back after a 3-day rout that wiped 63% from their market value, while on Friday the main Athens index ended positive 1.45%. Greece's banks need to be recapitalized after a flight of euros from deposits for most of this year and mounting bad loans. But that will hurt existing shareholders when it comes, by diluting the value of their holdings.
Banking sector lost 50% of the price, with biggest losses noticed in Piraeus Bank and Alpha Bank. Capital controls have created problems and created a separation between investors. The big loss in banking sector is also to do with stress tests that begin next week and will last until the end of October.
Athens and its international lenders share the view that the banks must complete their recapitalization by the end of this year and avoid a haircut on large depositors, Greece's finance minister said on Wednesday. Irina Zakhardoula, CCTV, Athens.